What is going on, beautiful folks? Today, we're going to be talking about a narcissist attachment style and how they can morph into different attachment styles to fit the person that they are pursuing or the person that they are with. If you're new here, my name is Lee Hammock. I'm a self aware narcissist, and welcome to another episode of the Narcissist Code. Welcome back, folks. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, welcome back. I said welcome back. Um, welcome back, folks. Yes, yes, yes. The attachment style of a narcissist or toxic person. So I'm new to attachment theory, right? I'm new to it. And I'm reading there's a book called Attached. I'm reading it right now. And I've been learning, I got so many nuggets from this book that I'm reading so far. It's called Attached. It's by who is it by? Amir Levine and Rachel Heller. This is what the cover looks like right there, y'all. So y'all want to check it out. This is what I'm reading right now. Um, Amazing book so far. And y'all know there's three main attachment styles from what I've understood so far: secure, avoidant, and anxious. And I bet y'all can guess. You, if you have any idea about attachment theory, you know what most narcissists are going to be. Most narcissists and toxic people, narcissistic people, whatever you want to say, are going to have a form of the avoidant attachment style. Narcissists are inherently going to be avoidant people. Like there's like avoidance, and this is going to confuse a lot of people sometimes because avoidance look like narcissists. Like the traits of an avoidant attachment style or damn near match the traits of narcissism: emotional detachment, ambivalence towards intimacy, feeling uncomfortable with closeness, suppressing emotions, avoiding eye contact, highly independent, feeling out of control, dismissing relationship problems, independence, like all that type of stuff right there. And it says 15 more. Repeatedly sabotaging relationships, repulsed or wary of intimacy, abandoned, difficulty expressing needs, resisting vulnerability. Like that sounds like a narcissist, doesn't it? So I'm going on a limb here and say this right here. I feel like all or most narcissists tend to be having avoidant attachment style, but not all people with avoidant attachments are narcissists, right? Narcissists, I feel like the biggest difference is that narcissists come from a place of ill intent, right? They're going to be avoidant, but they're going to be manipulative with it. You know what I mean? Avoidant, like narcissists, they're looking for people, but I feel like there's an ill intent behind it. The intentions behind the actions are there. People with an avoidant attachment style might want emotional closeness, but they have this avoidant attachment style. It makes them push people away. I feel like the biggest difference is the intent behind it. Narcissists a lot of times are intentionally manipulative. They hurt people. They just cause so much destruction in their pathway. They use it, right? They use it so much. And this is the thing that I will tell you about narcissists as well, is that they can morph. I feel like narcissists have become ingenious at morphing and disguising their attachment, their avoidant attachment style. Like when you first meet a narcissist, and you might have experience in the avoidant attachment theory, right? You might have experience in that field, but when you meet a narcissist and you're dealing with this personality type, they will match you. They mirror you. Not only do they mirror and model you, they become who they need to become, and that can include your attachment theory, your attachment style, or somebody, or becoming somebody that you are attracted to. They can match your attachment style or turn their personalities or their attachment style into something that you're attracted to, right? They can morph. They can model. A narcissist can come off as having an anxious attachment style, right? But then in all actuality, they're avoidant and being manipulative. They can come off and pretend to be secure. That's what I feel like. That's what narcissists tend to mask as. They tend to mask as having a secure attachment style, because you get a lot of narcissists, right, that are super egotistical. And I know egotistical people don't necessarily have to be avoidance and narcissists, right? But you can get a narcissist that appears to be super egotistical and just secure in their masculinity or femininity or anything. They feel like they're comfortable with boundaries. They can be comfortable with this. They tell you what you want to hear. They make you feel secure in your own being. But then all of a sudden, they switch up and start backpedaling. the closer you get to them, the further they push you away. The closer you get to them, the further they push you away. But like I said before, it's like they grabbing you by the collar. So they don't fully let you go. Like they'll push you away, but they'll keep you around to satisfy some type of need or urges that they do have. Right. That's what I feel like narcissists do. They morph, they mold their attachment style to match or attract other people. You know, I feel like I like just looking at attachment there, I do have some anxious attachment traits, but I'm avoidant as hell. I'm manipulative. I'm a gaslighter. You see what I'm saying? I pushed people away for a very long time. I still do it nowadays, but not to the level of what I used to be, right? Because I've been in therapy for 7 years working on myself. So I don't do it to the level that I used to. But I'm absolutely still avoidant, right? My wife has an anxious attachment style, and anxious and avoidance tend to attract each other. Just like, guess what? Narcissists and empaths. I think a lot of highly empathetic or highly sensitive people would fall into the category of having some form of an anxious attachment style. And reading this book, a lot of anxious people end up or are attracted to avoidant people, right? Because it's like you go into deep what anxious people are looking for. They are highly empathetic. They have highly emotional people. Like, maybe not highly emotional, but you tend to try to be more in tune with your emotional state, and you attach to people very quickly. You want love. You're pursuing love. You feel a lot of codependent people have an anxious attachment style as well. You feel like you need other people to make your life work. You want this love and whatever. But narcissistic people, they seem like they want to give you what you want and need, but they're also fulfilling your the other part of the anxious attachment, right? They're fulfilling the need, and they're making you feel a certain. They're pushing you away, just like you think you're not good enough. They're pushing you away. They push you away. It's like, oh, it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. This person drew you in, made you feel comfortable, and your biggest fear is being pushed away, and now they're pushing you away. So you knew that people push you away. You feel like you're not good enough, but guess what? You're gonna make this one work. So you're fighting harder to get this person back into your life. You're fighting harder to try to get this person to love you and treat you like they did in the beginning. Because in the beginning, they showed you, or they pretended to be secure. They pretended to have a lot of emotional balance and things like that. But in all actuality, they did not. They didn't possess these actual traits. They pretended to possess these traits to suck you in, to lure you in, to love bomb you, to manipulate you, and to get you in the state that you're in right now. Right? It can be a very messy thing dealing with narcissistic people with their malleable attachment styles, with their malleable personality dynamics, with their malleable emotional states. That's what I'm just saying. Like, if y'all get into attachment theory, it can help you out a lot, though. I feel like understanding your attachment style can help you heal from narcissistic people, and it can help you pursue actual people that are secure in their attachment style. If you're not in a relationship, if you're not in a relationship, if you're back out there on the market. Now, if you're on the market, there are certain things in this book right here. No, if you're not on the market, if you're currently in a relationship, with what you feel like might be a narcissist, or someone with an avoidant attachment style, there are certain things that they talk about in the book that you can try to see if that's the type of person that you're dealing with. And you can understand if you understand your attachment style and the attachment style of the other person, it can help you with a healthy minded person. Understanding attachment styles can make the relationship work better. But with a narcissist, understanding attachment styles won't make the relationship better, because they will still continue to push you away. They will still continue to not work on themselves. They will still continue to manipulate you and gaslight you and to do the things that they feel like is necessary. This is what narcissistic people do. Like, this is what they tend to do. This is what I don't say they enjoy doing it, but this is part of the process of dealing with an emotionally abusive person. This is what narcissistic people tend to do. And like I hate doing some of these videos sometimes, because some people, like I said, because I'm still learning, right? I'm still learning about attachment theory. And the more I learn, the more videos I will do on it, right? I'm going to do more videos on it. I'm going to understand it more. But I just had to get this video out there because of the stuff that I was learning. I was like, damn, I'm learning a lot. You know what I mean? I was learning so much. I'm learning so much right now. This is amazing. But because I haven't avoided an attachment style, and understanding that has helped kind of break through my own personal barriers and whatnot, my own emotional barriers, my own stuff right there. So understanding your own attachment style can help you break free of a narcissistic person or a toxic relationship, and to help you move forward and to help you heal as well. Because once you understand, like, damn, I'm anxiously attached. What do I need to do to break this attachment? What do I need to do to be more secure in myself and to break free of this person who is an avoidant and who will never give me the love that I'm pursuing? Like, they can't. It's not that they want to, like, they can't. They can't. They've given you everything that they have, and you're pursuing more, thinking that they have more, because in the beginning they showed you that they have the ability to be secure. They showed you that they have the ability to do this and to do that. But in all actuality, they don't really have that ability. You see what I'm saying? It's a growing process, y'all. And as I read this book and learn more about it, I'm going to start doing more videos on it as well, because I feel like narcissistic people definitely do have an avoidant attachment. Like myself, I do. I absolutely do, y'all. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all for making it this far. I appreciate y'all. Leave some likes and comments, and leave your thoughts in the comment section and whatnot. And as always, y'all, mental illness is out. Peace. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I am extremely grateful for you. Have no idea. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Helps reach more people. And click on the screen to watch another video or to browse through another playlist. There's also a link on the screen to check out my courses and my support groups to help you heal and understand what you've been through. Thank you so much again. I will see you in the next video. Peace.